In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI chat feature of DuckDuckGo browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the chat, enable private mode, and start getting helpful answers while keeping your browsing experience simple and secure. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser. You can do this on desktop or mobile, and you don't need any special setup to follow along. Make sure you're on the browser's home screen or a new tab so you can easily find the AI chat entry point. Next, look for the Duck.ai option. In most cases, it's clearly labeled and easy to spot from the home page or start screen. Click or tap Duck.ai to open the chat interface. This is where you'll interact with the AI, ask questions, and get quick conversational answers without leaving the browser. When the chat view opens, choose Ask Privately. This setting is designed to prioritize privacy while you use the AI. It keeps the experience focused on protecting your personal information, so you can explore questions more confidently. If you're curious, private mode is ideal for everyday use. Think learning new topics, summarizing information, getting writing help, or brainstorming ideas, without the hassle of creating an account or installing add-ons. Now you're ready to type your question. Click or tap in the message box at the bottom and write what you need help with. Be clear and specific to get the best results. For example, instead of help with an email, write a short, friendly email to reschedule a meeting for tomorrow afternoon. You can also ask for explanations, comparisons, outlines, or quick summaries of a topic you're researching. If the first answer isn't quite right, refine your request, add details, set a tone, or ask for a different format. You can say things like, make it more concise, explain it like I'm new to this, or turn this into bullet-style notes, and the AI will adjust. A few quick tips as you type. Keep each question focused on one task for clearer results. If you're working on a longer project, continue in the same chat so the AI keeps context. And if you're dealing with sensitive topics, remember that ask privately is the best way to stay mindful of your privacy while you work. That's it. Open the DuckDuckGo browser, select Duck.ai, choose Ask privately, and type your question. With these steps, you can tap into fast, helpful answers while staying in a privacy-first environment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what you can do with AI chat inside DuckDuckGo.